Hello everybody, welcome to the online video presentation. I am Mohammad Sharif, lecturer in English, Nalanda Degree College, Anantapur. Welcome to the second day session on the lesson that we have started yesterday, Shyness My Shield by M.K. Gandhi. Okay then, before we start today, that is second day session, let us recap whatever we have learned yesterday. So, as I told you, Shyness My Shield is an extract from Mahatma Gandhi's autobiography, My Experiments with Truth. And Gandhiji explains about his nature of shyness to speak in front of a group of people. And Gandhiji also says that he tried a lot to overcome his shyness during his stay in London. He gives a incident about how shy he was, because Gandhiji was a member of Vegetarian Society, but he could not speak in the committee meetings. He was very good speaking to the individuals like Dr. Oldfield, but when the meeting begins, he was tight-lipped. So that is where he refers that once Dr. Oldfield said that you would speak so good to me, but why do you sit so silent in the committee meetings? And he called him as a drone. Drone is a male bee which sits always idle. Okay. Then he gives another very important incident that has happened, that one Dr. Ellinson was promoting birth control among the working class, and the Vegetarian Society has decided to remove him from the membership because promoting birth control is an immoral thing. But Gandhiji, though he too don't like the birth control movement, but he thought every person has got his own freedom to express his views. Because of promoting birth control, Dr. Ellinson should not be removed from the Vegetarian Society. But unable to support him properly through his speech, Gandhiji failed to support Dr. Ellinson. After that, Dr. Ellinson was removed from the membership of this society. Feeling very sad about his inability to support in a proper way, Gandhiji also resigned to the membership of this society. So now, let us continue the lesson. What Gandhiji says here is, this shyness I retained throughout my stay in England. Even when I paid a social call, the presence of half a dozen or more people would strike me dumb. Here dumb means speechless. He could not speak. I once went to Ventnor with Sergeant Majumdar. We stayed there with a vegetarian family. Mr. Howard, the author of The Ethics of Diet, was also staying at the same watering place. We met him and he invited us to speak at a meeting for the promotion of vegetarianism. I had ascertained that it was not considered incorrect to read one's speech. I knew that many did so to express themselves coherently and briefly. Here we have got three very tough words, as long as I feel regarding my students. A watering place is something like a place where there will be some water springs or a seashore, thing like that. అంటే ఏమంటారు, మనకు ఫౌంటైన్స్ లాంటివి కావచ్చు, లేదంటే జలపాతాలు లాంటివి కావచ్చు, ఉంటాయి కదా, అట్లాంటి వాటిని వాటరింగ్ ప్లేస్ అంటారు. అసర్టైన్డ్ అంటే ఏంటంటే స్ట్రాంగ్గా డిసైడ్ అవ్వడం, డిటర్మిన్డ్, నిర్ణయించుకోవడం. సో నేను గ్యారంటీగా చెప్పాలి అన్న టైప్లో డిసైడ్ చేసుకోవడం. కోహరెంట్లీ మీన్స్ క్లియర్లీ, స్ట్రాంగ్లీ, లాజికల్లీ, చాలా క్లియర్గా దృఢ దృఢ నిర్ణయంతో ఉండడం అన్నమాట. ఓకే, దెన్ to speak extempore would have been out of the question for me. I had therefore written down my speech. I stood up to read it, but could not. My vision became blurred and I trembled. Though the speech hardly covered a sheet of foolscape, Sergeant Mazumdar had to read it for me. His own speech was of course excellent and was received with applause. I was ashamed of myself and sad at heart for my incapacity. ఇక్కడ ఉన్న డిఫికల్ట్ వర్డ్స్ ఎక్స్టెంపోర్. ఎక్స్టెంపోర్ అంటే వితౌట్ ప్రిపరేషన్. సో హీ థాట్ దట్ హీ షుడ్ మేడ్ సమ్ ప్రిపరేషన్. ఓకే, విజన్ అంటే జనరల్గా ఏంటంటే చూపు. విజన్ అంటే ముందు చూపు అని కూడా అంటాము. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే ఈయన చెప్పడము హిజ్ విషన్ బికమ్ బ్లర్డ్. బ్లర్డ్ అంటే మసక కావడం. ఎప్పుడైతే ఆయన స్పీచ్ చదవడానికి వచ్చాడో ఆయనకు కళ్ళకు మసక మసక అనిపించింది, బికాజ్ హీ వాజ్ అఫ్రైడ్. ఓకే, దెన్ ట్రెంబల్డ్ మీన్స్ షేక్ కావడము. ఓకే, అండ్ అప్లౌజ్ మీన్స్ చప్పట్లు, క్లాపింగ్. అషేమ్డ్ మీన్స్ హ్యూమిలియేటెడ్, అంటే ఒక విధంగా సిగ్గుపడ్డము. సిగ్గుపడ్డము అంటే ఇక్కడ ఎలాంటిది అంటే తను చెప్పలేకపోయినందుకు సిగ్గుపడ్డం. ఓకే, మై లాస్ట్ ఎఫర్ట్ టు మేక్ ఎ పబ్లిక్ స్పీచ్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లాండ్ వాజ్ ఆన్ ది ఈవ్ ఆఫ్ మై డిపార్చర్ ఫర్ హోమ్, బట్ దిస్ టైమ్ టూ I only succeeded in making myself ridiculous. I invited my vegetarian friends to dinner in the Holborn restaurant referred to in these chapters. A vegetarian dinner could be had, I said to myself, in vegetarian restaurants as a matter of course. But why should it not be possible in a non-vegetarian restaurant too? And I arranged with the manager of the Holborn restaurant to provide a strictly vegetarian meal. The vegetarians hailed the new experiment with delight. All dinners are meant for enjoyments, but the West has developed the thing into an art. They are celebrated with great eclat, music and speeches, and the little dinner party that I gave was also not unaccompanied by some such displays. ఇక్కడ రెడికులస్ అంటే సిల్లీగా లేదా నవ్వు పుట్టించేలాగా ఉండడము. హెయిల్డ్ అంటే దే వెల్కమ్డ్, దే ఇన్వైటెడ్, they very much enjoyed, they very much invited, ప్రశంసించడం. ఓకే, డిలైట్ మీన్స్ an enjoyment or a happiness, అంటే ఆనందించడం. ఎక్లాట్ మీన్స్ గ్రేట్, ఎక్సలెంట్, అద్భుతంగా, ఆనందంగా. Speeches, therefore, there had to be. When my turn for speaking came, I stood up to make a speech. I had with great care thought out one which would consist of a very few sentences, but I could not proceed beyond the first sentence. I had read of Addison that he began his maiden speech in the House of Commons, repeating, I conceive, 3 times, and when he could proceed no further, a wag stood up and said, the gentleman conceived thrice, but brought forth nothing. I had thought of making humorous speech taking this anecdote as the text. I therefore began with it and stuck there. My memory entirely failed me. My memory entirely failed me, and in attempting a humorous speech, I made myself ridiculous. I thank you, gentlemen, for having kindly responded to my invitation, I said abruptly and sat down. Okay, then that's the session for today. Hope you all followed today's class. Please wait for the online class for explanations and clarifications of doubts. Hope you will wait. Thank you very much.